this is the women's blend. Will this make me feel like Beyonce? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. You most likely are. My name's CJ, and I am currently in a parking lot right now. I haven't done one of these videos in like, I think since February, and I don't know, just I'm back like going to work and then like coming home, and so my Boxycharm gets sent to work, and so that's why I'm here. I'm here to do my Boxycharm unboxing thing, and I think it's a Luxe one because the box is this big, but that's for a thumbnail. So if you don't know why I do these, it's because like I'm sure other people who get their box or whatever, you know, it's like exciting, you know, it's like I do like to be surprised when I get this, and so it's kind of just like a me moment to open it and like be excited. And so when I get home from work, I'm, you know, bombarded by 3 dogs, my boyfriend, you know, like wanting my attention. And so this I do so I have me time in a parking lot. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and start because I don't want this video to be long because I'm hungry and I want to go home. So I actually get a card this time. It usually don't. And okay, yes, I know the setup is trashy and you can see way too much of my car, but you want to know what? You can get over it. I'm literally using a thing of deodorant that I just got at the store to hold my phone up. So also the quality is crap because I'm using my phone. Okay. Oh, there's a lot in here. There's a lot. Okay. First is this Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30, oil-free, nice, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. That actually sounds dope. I got the shade Fair, which I will say boxy, and it's sealed. Can you see? It has a seal on it, which is good. But I wonder what the color looks like. It's a little light, but you know, BB creams or whatever, you can usually blend in. And this would, I feel like if I hadn't just gotten back from the beach, it would match me a lot better. So we'll see. I do like the claim of looking moisturized and like dewy, but like not oily, really intrigues me because I have oily skin. So I really hope this. I don't know, we've gotten this brand before. What have we? I think we've got like an eye cream from them or something. They're a really cool brand. They're like natural, you know. And yeah, I know I look bad. Okay, I've been at work 8 hours. Next is more brushes. I love brushes, y'all. They're infused with charcoal to be antimicrobial. You know, it's probably a good thing for someone who never washes their brushes. So, okay, nice. Cruelty-free, no artificial dyes, bamboo charcoal, infused bristles, and vegan. It's by the brand $1 Billion Brushes. They're pretty. I got a powder brush. And I'm not going to open all of them, okay? You know what brushes look like. I'll just tell you what kind they are. I got it's a powder brush, ooh, I want to see the contour brush though. Sorry, I love a good contour brush. Okay. Powder brush, contour brush, concealer brush, eyeshadow brush, and highlighter brush. Cool. I love getting brushes. We get them like all the time, okay? And maybe some people get bored of the brushes. I don't. I love brushes because I don't wash mine as often as I should. And I just got one of those little color switch thingy, so I really don't have, it's bad. I need to wash my brushes, okay? Don't judge me. What's this? Ooh, this brand's expensive. Malin Gets Recovery Treatment Oil. Oh, look, the writing is like, it goes like this, so I'm going to have to keep turning it. I'm sorry if that bothers anyone. Okay. Our fast-absorbing treatment is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant-rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. That's all it says. What does it have in here? I would look at the card, but I'm a fast reader, and every time I look at the card, I see all the other stuff. Like, I just saw all this stuff. Holy shit, this stuff's $82. It has evening primrose, argan, and jojoba oils to help boost hydration. Okay. Grapeseed and rosehip oils deliver vitamin C and E to help improve skin tone. Geranium and borage oils help balance. Ooh, balance skin. I love when it's balancing. Okay, I'm actually super excited about this. I love face oils, especially like non-greasy ones because I do have oily skin, like I said, but like at night I really like them. And also just like underneath my makeup, like putting it on like right kind of when I wake up and letting it sink in before I put my makeup on for the day. It gives, like, if it's the right oil that doesn't make you look oily, It sounds so dumb, but it can really make your makeup look like super lifelike. So I'm actually really excited, and I'm almost out of the oil, or not, it's not an oil, it's a serum that I've been using, which is the Fourth Ray Beauty, the Radiate one, which a huge price difference. This one's apparently $82. We'll see if it's worth that. Okay, this is the big thing. This is the Tarte. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. It's all neutrals, which I don't know, I kind of like. Okay, it's the Tarte Tarteist. I just said that a lot. Okay, Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette. I like the packaging. Isn't this like old though? Hasn't this been around? I mean, I don't care. Old is, a lot of times old stuff's good. Ooh, the packaging looks a little dirty. I'm not gonna lie. It's like kind of, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got some scuffs on it and some stuff on the back. But this kind of packaging, while it looks nice in theory, it gets, yeah, I just wiped away. It gets dirty so fast. Oh, this is so dirty. And a lot of the, okay, now it could be from the heat, because I do live in Louisiana, southern Louisiana, okay? But like some of the shades, like this vintage and innocent shade, I might have to take a picture when I get home. But like you can see, oh, well, at least I have the screen on it. But it's got some like cracks and dents in the shades. I'll take a picture when I get home and put it on the screen so you can see. I mean, I really do. I like the color story. It's like a more purpley, neutral toned thing, and it has a lot of mattes, which I enjoy, and also I do like that color range just because it meshes with hazel eyes very nicely. I've never really known Tarte to be known for their eyeshadows though, so I don't know. I feel like this could either be like a new holy grail for me or like a total flop, so we'll see. Ooh, cool. Okay, this is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Oh, what is all? Was that from this? Yo, look at my hands. Look, that's disgusting. That's from that palette, y'all. It's gotta be. Right? I'm gonna put it on my jeans. Okay, look. Clean pinky, okay? What? Oh, okay. Clean pinky, right here, okay? Look at that. That's nasty. I don't know. I know some people have had issues with their quality. That really bothers me a lot, though. My freaking, what's it called? My Wet n Wild contour stick does that all the time. But that thing's fine. Look at that, y'all. That's oh, I'm concerned. Okay. I don't have anything to wipe it on in my car. Well, that's interesting. That's an interesting turn of events. I love that for me. That's great. Next thing. Essential oils. Women's blend. First, okay. I used to be super into essential oils because my best friend was, and we lived together. And I will say, some of them I do see benefits. Like lavender oil especially, it does kind of help me put me to sleep. It is great to like put on top of mosquito bites. So I will say that. Do I think that they can cure cancer? Not really, like at all. I think they smell nice in certain situations, and I do have a diffuser, but I don't know. I get really like, y'all don't care, but I get like really stupidly into things for like a couple of months, and then just it dies. And so I got really into essential oils because I was like, oh, because it was just, I don't know, it was like a new thing. It was Pinterest and all this crap. So like I went online, like I bought a whole set of it. And I was like, oh, if I rub this on my belly at night, I'll lose weight. I didn't. Okay. But I will say, they do smell good. And I do, the packaging's super cute. I might keep this box for something. I don't know. Oh, anyway. Okay, so this is the Goddess Duo Self-Care Pure Essential Oil Blends. It has the one I just mentioned, and then the Calm and ooh, I need that. De-Stress Pure Essential Oil Blend. Treat yourself to, okay, so good. I like when they're actually like, look, these are just to smell nice. Like, don't put it near your navel to become like a sexual deviant. You know what I mean? Okay. Treat yourself to a luxurious aromatic self-care ritual. Take time to replenish every day and let yourself be soothed by the benefits of aromatherapy. Okay. Diffuse throughout the day or mix with a carrier oil to use as a natural perfume. Practice self-care at any time of the day, wherever you are. Directions. Mist diffuser, add 6 to 8 drops. Topically use... Yeah, I do like that it tells you to dilute it, because some places are like, no, that's not safe. I wonder what they smell like. Oh, if you want $10 off your next purchase with them, use the code CHARM10. You're welcome. It's the kind of quality content that keeps you coming back, my 10 subscribers. I wonder, this is the women's blend. Will this make me feel like Beyonce? It doesn't, I actually don't smell bad. I could put that in a diffuser. I can enjoy that, I think. I'll have to clean my diffuser out because I haven't used it in months. And then calm and de-stress. I need this because I just got back from vacation and one day at my work and I'm already stressed. It's very orange, yeah. I mean, I don't know if I like that too much. I know orange is supposed to make you happy and like lift your spirits and stuff. No. I don't know about all that. I never sniffed an orange and felt great about myself, so we'll see. But I do like the women's blend one. And then last is, I knew it, okay. Kylie Skin by Miss Kylie Jenner, the billionaire herself. Okay. I'm not going to go into a whole Kardashian spiel. My whole thing is, don't hate them, don't love them. Do I think they're the smartest people in the world? Like, actually, no. But, and do I think they use their power in the best of ways? No. Sometimes they do. Like Kim with the whole justice reform thing. That's dope. And she's a beautiful woman who willingly went into a room with Donald Trump. So that takes balls. But anyway, I think it takes a lot of skill, I guess, or finesse to become billionaires, not so much millionaires, whatever, off of basically having no talent. But I mean, I feel like their talent is like, I mean, it's a business talent, so I do think they're talented. And I used to love their show, I'm not even gonna lie. That was me and my sister. Oh my God, we watched so much of that show. And we used to have days where we would like drive our family insane solely talking by like Courtney. Oh my God. Cam, there's people that are dying. That was terrible, but I'm out of practice. Anyway, this is look, do you see all the black that's getting all over my new shit because of that thing? That really irks me. Okay, anyway, this is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash. I do like foaming face washes. I know if you have dry skin, sometimes it can dry you out maybe. And I do think the packaging is kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a sucker for cute packaging. I like the color. It's what I use in like a bunch of my thumbnails. I mean, maybe it'll work. I watched someone review her skincare line, and I think it was Sierra Schultz, right? I think so. Yeah, she tried her, like the whole skincare thing for the week. And I can't remember off the top of my head what she said. But I don't know, it's a face wash. I'll try it. God, and y'all, and I'm so sorry to keep going, but like in this Tarte palette, you see like all this white like dust or dirt or whatever. Ugh, that's nasty. I might actually be that bitch who looks up this batch code when I get home, because that makes me super nervous. And also now, it's nasty. Oh my God. Okay, so now I'm gonna go through the card. Wait, what lip pencil set? I don't have a lip pencil set. It says I'm supposed to have a lip pencil set in here. Am I crazy? Okay, well, we're just gonna deal with it. Okay, the Kylie Skin Face Wash, our luxurious foaming face wash, is infused with ultra-nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. Cool. I'll try it. It's normally $24. Okay, the Pure Lease BB Cream. I already talked about all that. My foot's falling asleep. Okay. That normally goes for $35. This Tula Skincare Glowing Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm goes for $28. Where's my lip thing, though? That's what I want to know. I like lip things. So they give me dirty stuff and then don't give me my lip stuff. I'm a little bummed out right now. Okay, anyway, the Tarte palette, the dirty mess of a thing, that's $49. The Eco Modern Goddess Duo is at $40. Oh my god. Okay, $40 for 2 essential oils. Okay. $1 billion brows. This brush set, $55. That's actually not bad though, because there. How many brushes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's like $10 a brush. That's actually not bad at all. Recovery treatment oil was $82, which I already said. I really am upset. Where is my Bodyography lip pencil set, Pouty and Rosewood? Antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick. I don't have that. That didn't come in my thing. I'm kind of pissed. I'm not gonna lie. Why? If it was just the missing pencils or if it was just the eyebrow thing, I'd be like, okay, whatever. But both, I might have to live chat with somebody online because I don't like making phone calls. Okay, so that's that. Some of the stuff I'm actually super excited about. I'm really excited to try this BB cream. I love brushes. I'm really excited about this recovery treatment oil thingamajinger. I think that looks kind of dope. The Kylie Skin thing, it could work. I don't know. I'll try and I'll let you know. I don't know if I'm honestly, I don't know if I'm going to use that Tarte palette unless I find a thing online to show me how to like sanitize this stuff. Oh, also, if you want $5 off your next Kylie Skin order, use the promo code BOXY5. You're welcome. Okay, there's like a lot of people right here. I don't like this at all. Anyway, so as I was saying, I would give this box like a C, maybe a B minus, just because like you do pay more for this box. It's like $50 something instead of the normal 25. I've never like this, like honestly kind of terrified. Like I don't like this at all. That really kind of freaks me out. And if it was just this, I'm like, oh, it's just packaging thing, but then a bunch of the eyeshadow, like some of the eyeshadows had little cracks in them, and then when I opened the lid, there's like this white powder in there. I don't know. And then I am upset that my lip things weren't in there, my lip pencils. I love lip pencils. So I'm gonna email some people, and if they get back to me, I'll pin a comment or whatever if I remember to. But anyway, I'm going to do the math when I get home and just put it up right now. Most likely it's a shit ton of money compared to like the normal $55, $56 thing that it normally is. So I don't know if it's a good deal this time, honestly. If that face oil works, then maybe. I did like the colors in that eyeshadow palette, but like I'm bummed. But anyway, okay, so I'm gonna go home and eat some leftover Mexican. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe. If you also get Boxycharm, what did you get this month? If you get Boxy Luxe, did you have the same issues? Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.